A girl taunted a clever caged monkey, but the feisty primates retaliated, teaching her a memorable lesson. In a circus show, an elephant's frustration boiled over, causing it to charge unexpectedly, likely due to being confined in tight quarters. Curious footage shows a cyclist's encounter with an angry ram in France, with the ram persistently chasing the cyclist. A charging sheep surprised an unsuspecting fisherman, knocking him into a lake, though luckily he wasn't seriously injured. Unaware of his surroundings, a man encountered a moose and quickly retreated with his dogs, avoiding potential confrontation.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
A playful swan chased a golfer around the golf course for fun, creating a hilarious scene.
Ow! I want that video!
A leopard nearly caught someone trying to enter a truck, but a group of dogs intervened, preventing any harm. A mischievous goat had a blast, charging and toppling unsuspecting people, including a woman who ended up on the ground. People hastily exited a truck as an approaching elephant threatened to flip the vehicle. In Peru, a runaway bull caused panic as it escaped, leaving locals scrambling to avoid its unexpected rampage. A camel asserted its dominance by ripping off a car's side mirrors, showing it ruled the road. A gorilla charged at the zoo glass, terrifying the children watching. One more punch and the situation could have taken a tragic turn.
Oh, man!
In Steamboat Springs, Colorado, a curious bear hung from an upstairs window before wreaking havoc inside the house.
I'm dead.
A mischievous monkey snatched a man's bag containing valuable items, leaving the man in a sticky situation. An annoyed gorilla playfully splashed water at a boat, then dashed off in a funny display of mischief. A hawk snatched a puppy from a backyard, leaving the pup with only a minor scratch. A shocking but not tragic event. In India, a leopard chased a motorcyclist but was deterred by quick-thinking bystanders, sparing the rider from injury. Sea lions fiercely defended their territory on a San Diego beach, startling people who huddled together in fear of the assertive marine animals. A bison head-butted a car's headlights in Yellowstone, defending its personal space. Fortunately, it ended without tragedy.
God, did he hit him? Yes, he did.
He turned.
Yeah.
A kangaroo refused to back down from a confrontation with a determined boy, asserting its dominance with determination.
Get him, Jory!
What?
Get him! Push him!
No,
Good job to scratch his ears. Good job to scratch his ears.
A herd of sheep, tired of constant orders from a man, teamed up to charge at him repeatedly, reclaiming their independence.